Hey, all you driving instructors out there in Ontario. Let's talk about something that's, well, kind of the backbone of your business, your insurance. I mean, are you really sure your policy is actually designed for the unique risks you face every single day? Let's dig in and find out.
So let me ask you this, and it's a big one. Does the person who sold you your insurance actually specialize in driving schools? Or are you just another name on a list with a standard cookie-cutter policy? Because let me tell you, the difference is huge.
And that's really the heart of the matter, isn't it? Your business isn't like any other. A standard, off-the-shelf policy, well, it's just not built for the kind of risks you take on when you're teaching someone to drive. Think about it. Every single day, you're getting in a car with a novice driver. The stakes are high. It's not just about protecting the car, it's about your student, everyone else on the road, and hey, your business's reputation. That's a whole different level of risk.
And those generic policies? They're kind of like a fishing net with giant holes in it. You think you're covered, but there are these huge, dangerous gaps. And you probably won't even know they're there until, something goes wrong. By then, your business could be on the line.
So, what's the fix? How do you patch up those holes? Well, it's pretty simple, actually. You need a partner, an expert, someone who lives and breathes the driving school world, not just a general insurance broker. Let's just break it down. A general agent, they'll give you the standard stuff. They probably don't know the first thing about what you actually deal with. But a specialist, they get it. They know your daily grind, your risks, and they have access to the kind of coverage that's literally built just for you. That's why you want to see a provider who's not shy about it, who says loud and clear, "We specialize in this." That's not just a marketing line, it's a promise that they've got your back.
Okay, so speaking of specialists, that brings us to a specific solution from Goodrates Insurance. And yeah, you guessed it, it's designed from the ground up for driving instructors.
So what does a plan like that actually look like? Well, it's built on three main pillars. You've got your third-party liability, coverage for damage to your vehicle, and this is the really important one, a student driving add-on.
First up, third-party liability. This is your absolute must-have. If something happens during a lesson, an injury, property damage, this is what covers your legal responsibility. It's what stands between you and a potentially massive, business-ending claim.
And then there's that student driving add-on. This is the secret sauce, right? It's the one piece that most standard policies just don't have. It's extra protection, specifically for when your student is behind the wheel. That's the specialist difference right there.
Okay, so getting the right coverage is awesome. But let's be real. It also has to fit the budget. And on that front, there's some really good news for instructors in Ontario.
Check this out. Goodrates is offering a flat 20% discount. That's a huge saving on a policy that's already tailor-made for what you do. It's a pretty sweet deal.
And here's a heads up so you can get ready. This offer kicks off this November 2025, so you might want to mark your calendars.
So, if you're thinking, yeah, I want to plug those gaps and save some cash, then getting a quote is the next step. And it's super easy.
You've got a couple of options. You can give Fred a call directly. His number is 647-889-4663 and talk through exactly what your school needs. Or, if you prefer, just hop online to goodrates.ca and get the ball rolling there.
So when you think about it, your whole job is about giving students the confidence to be safe on the road. Doesn't it just make sense to have insurance that gives you that exact same peace of mind for your business? It's time to drive with confidence, both in and out of the lesson.